If you're seeing the error message, can't reach this page, or took too long to respond, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can get Chrome working again fast. This usually happens because of a weak internet connection, a browser issue, bad cache files, DNS problems, or even a VPN or proxy getting in the way. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's check your internet connection. Before changing anything in Chrome, make sure your internet is actually working. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router, reconnecting to your network, or opening another website to see if the problem is only happening on one site. If other websites are loading normally, then the issue may be with that specific website instead of your device. But if nothing is loading, the problem is probably your connection. So start there because a stable internet connection is the foundation for everything else. Next, restart Chrome and your computer. This may sound simple, but it often fixes temporary browser or network glitches. Close Chrome completely, not just the tab. Make sure the browser is fully shut down. Then restart your PC or laptop. Wait for it to boot back up and open Chrome again. A fresh restart clears temporary errors and gives your system a clean start, which can solve a surprising number of browser problems. If that still doesn't fix it, move on to clearing Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores temporary files that can become corrupted or outdated, and that can stop websites from loading properly. To do this, open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From here, select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. After that, try loading the page again. This step removes damaged stored files and forces Chrome to load a fresh version of the website, which often solves the took too long to respond error. Now, let's try flushing the DNS cache. DNS is basically what helps your computer find websites on the internet, and if those records are outdated or broken, pages may fail to load. To fix that, open Command Prompt as administrator. You can do this by searching for Command Prompt, right-clicking it, and choosing Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears out old or bad DNS records and gives your system a fresh start when connecting to websites. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxy settings can sometimes slow down your connection or block certain websites completely. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it temporarily and test the page again. Also, check your proxy settings and make sure they're disabled if you don't need them. Sometimes just turning these off is enough to solve the problem immediately. So, to quickly recap, first check your internet connection, then restart Chrome and your PC, then clear cache and cookies, flush the DNS cache, and finally, disable any VPN or proxy that may be interfering. These are the most common fixes for the can't reach this page error, and one of them will usually get you back online. If this video helped, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.